Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be in the third of our series of Wing Chun, China, Jut Sao chokes and throws. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. This will greatly help support our channel. Thank you again for your continued support, and have a great day.
Arm to wrist lock 1. From Jut Sao roll, my opponent is going to give me pressure, and he's going to apply a palm strike from his Tan Sao Bong arm. Counter using Jut Sao Gan Sao, follow Pak Sao punch, Chun Sao Lop Sao side palm, rolling into wrist lock number 1. Defend the straight punch using Pak Sao and punch. Follow Chun Sao Lop Sao side palm, rolling into wrist lock 1. Scoop behind Yun Gurk sweep. Roll the arm over as you press it against the knee to create an umbar.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.